Hello guys. It's the Chinchita back again with a math video. So today we're going to look at the simplest part of algebra, and that is solving for x. The reason why I love solve for x is because you can prove your answer and if your answer is not correct. Okay, so now let's just get right into it. Anyways, this is for grade 11 and also the grade 12. You can use this for revision. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So it is said that 2 exponent x root x is equals to 2 exponent 27. I want to talk about this a little bit. Okay, please just give me a few minutes. I promise. I just want to make sure if you all understand this part. Okay, so x root x, it's not equal to this one, the x root of x. This is where most learners were going to get this wrong if this was there in the examination. Okay, so make sure you be able to differentiate between these two. Okay, this just means that it's x multiplied by the root of x, similar as 2 multiplied by the root of 2, which is 2 root 2. So this is x root x. Okay, so I just wanted to clear that out just before we get right into it, because I just want to make sure that y'all are able. Oh, what happened? This thing is so advanced that sometimes I forget that it's mine. Poor me, right? Okay, so let's just get right into it. I just wanted to clear that out. 2x root of x. Okay, so now let's just get back into the original equation. So because now we have the same base, remember there is this rule that says that if we have the same base, we're going to equate the exponent. So that means that it's going to be we're gonna take this exponent as well as this exponent and just equate them. Simple as that. Now let's just do that. It's going to be x root x, it's equals to 27. And here you can do many different methods, like you can divide by x on both sides, you can do anything, but the one that I'm going to do is the one of actually taking this the root of x and making it an x and making it a base and an exponent, making it a power basically. Okay, so sorry, so I was saying that I just want to talk about this a little bit. I just want to how can I put it, when English is not your home language, sometimes you try to be a native English speaker. Okay, let me not complain. That's why my videos are too long. Let me not complain. So I just want to us look I just want us to look at this part specifically. Okay, so we have the root of x. So the root of x, if you want to write it in a form of a power, remember a power consists of a base and an exponent. So it's going to be x, and then you're gonna ask yourself, what is the exponent of x? Oh, it's 1. And then what is the exponent of my root? This root, when you want to kill this root, you kill it with a little 2, isn't it? So that means that you're going to divide it by 2. Simple as that. Okay, let's do a cube root of 4. Let's do a cube root. Let me just say 2 exponent 2. So it will be equal to, you're going to say, okay, I have my base and my base is 2. So you're going to just copy 2. And then you're going to say, okay, what is the exponent of my base? And that is 2. And then you're going to divide by what is the exponent of my root. This root is, you when you have the cube root and you want to kill it, you normally kill it with a cube, isn't it? So that means that it's gonna be like this. So it's basically the number that is behind the root. Okay, so that's that. I hope you'll understand it. I know I'm not good at explaining this one specifically, these ones, but I hope you'll understand it. Anyways, let's just go back to the original equation again. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna say this x, and then because now you have this part, you're going to make sure you change it into a power. You're gonna say x and then multiply by is going to be x 1 over 2. If you don't understand the root rule or this rule, just make sure you comment down below, and then I'll make a separate video for that. So it will be equals to, and then I'm gonna go to my calculator and say 27, it's equals to shift fact, and then the answer is 3 exponent baby 3. Now remember, when we have the same base, what do we do to the exponent? Correct, so we add the exponent, so it's going to be x exponent 1 plus 1 over 2, it's equals to 3 exponent 3, and then it will be equals to x, what is 1 plus 1 over 2 is basically 3 over 2, it's equals to 3 exponent 3, and we are looking for x, guys. We are almost there. I can feel it, we're almost there. And now, because we have this exponent and we are actually looking for x only, we need to kill her. Oh, I made it loud. We need to make sure that we kill it, okay? So how are we going to kill the little 3 over 2? By multiplying it by its reciprocal. Multiply by 2 over 3. And when we do it on the left side, we're gonna do it on the right side, obviously. Gonna multiply by 2 over 3. So that means that your x is equals to, you're gonna punch that in your calculator, and the answer is 9. I hope you all have understood it, and bye. Peace and love. Make sure you do this kind of questions, this hard order questions. So bye for now. Tuties, no teenies, no tuties. Guys, I should find a name for you. Why is this thing? Okay, bye. I'm always complaining, aren't I?